Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your activity status on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, and if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after you open Facebook, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in the menu section of your Facebook, at the top, you can see the setting icon, which is right beside the search. Click on the setting icon, and once you're in the setting of Facebook, you want to scroll all the way down until you see activity status, which is going to be on the audience and visibility tab. Click on activity status, and over here it is on. It is on means that everybody can see my activity status. So right now I'm using Facebook, so other people will know I'm online. So if you turn off activity status and click on turn off over here, it's just confirming if you want to or not. We do, so we will click on turn off. Now, even though I'm using Facebook, other people will not know if I'm active right now, because this literally doesn't makes other people know if I'm active or not. And when you have this turned on, then basically even after you close Facebook, Facebook will tell other people that I was online a minute ago. And if it was 2 minutes ago, it'll say 2, 3, then 3. But with this on, people will not know whether I'm online or not, or how long time ago I was online on Facebook. So this is what turning off your activity status on Facebook does. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.